climb up here, Bradley.
Yeah. Maybe, I don't know about that one.
Oh.
God, that's the one that's, I don't know.
Go over here. Go over here.
Right?
Yeah. Climb up.
So another one. And right there. Just wait right there for me, okay? Okay? We'll come pick you up. Wait till I say, okay? Uh-oh. Just wait, not yet. Maybe a little closer. It's not yet. Maybe a little closer. Here. Come on over, cowboy. Yeehaw! Good job. Are you comfy? Sure? Okay. What do we say for the horse? Make him go. Good job. Yeah. Good job. He's a little cowboy. Gonna get some calves and rope some calves when you get there? Yeah.
No.
Branding fire? Have your own brand? What do you think? Be pretty fun. See, when you get big, you're gonna get a horse of your own. Yeah. What color is it gonna be? Like this? Sorrel? Sorrel. Can you say sorrel? Sorrel, yeah. It kind of looks like brown, but they call it sorrel. And you know what else? He's a quarter horse.
Why should it be a dodo?
I don't know. This is a quarter horse. There's quarter horses, there's Arabians,